Hello everyone, this is Altaf from Huawei. Hope you all are staying healthy and safe. So welcome to the another video with two another incredible devices from the Huawei. This time I will show you my two personal favorite devices that I was waiting for receive sometime now. So here I got with me the Y9A that comes with an incredible ultra full view display, which is 64 megapixel all scenario quad camera and 4200 milliamperes battery with 40 watt supercharge. So and on the other hand, I got with me the all new Huawei Watch Fit that truly changed my perspective on smartwatches. The Y9A offers you an immersive viewing experience unlike the other brands, and that's due to the ultra field view display comes with incredibly high screen to body ratio 92%. Let's take a look at the back. From the back side you get this stunning halo ring design that was first introduced on the Huawei flagship models. What makes even more beautiful are three different colors that you get choose from: space silver, sakura pink, midnight black. On the back you get 64 megapixel scenario quad camera, and now you can capture the super clarity shooting for sweeping landscapes, distant landmarks, and close-up scenes. Even at night you can capture blur-free and focused handheld photos in low-light situation. And let's not forget the pop-up selfie camera AI. Beauty brings you customized beauty effects according to gender and skin and age. As Huawei always provided the best battery solutions in all their smartphones, the Y90 comes with the huge battery 4200 milliamperes that can charge from 0 to 67% in just 30 minutes, and you can get 7 hours of phone calls after 5 minutes of charging. Y90 also comes with the Huawei Pedal Search, where you can search, download and install the update your favorite apps by just a click of your finger. So with all that, I do not see why you still did not call to pre-book your Y90. Now let's take a look at the Huawei Watch Fit and what is the buds all about. So there are so many reasons that makes the Watch Fit my favorite smartwatch available currently. Let's start with everyone's concern when it comes to the buying a smartwatch, which is the battery. The battery that can last up to 10 days normal uses. Now I truly do not have to worry about charging it unlike the other more expensive smartwatches in the market that I have to charge every 2 days. The looks and design the watch is usually the second concern you probably have. Well, the watch fit comes with an incredible 1.64 display with auto brightness that makes it so much easier to read notifications and messages even under sunlight, and the best part is the option to customize the watch faces through the Huawei Health application to suit your mood. Now let me tell you why this watch is my favorite. The watch provides you 12 kinds of animated quick workouts mode and includes 44 standard movement demonstrations. It also includes a total of 96 workout modes to choose from. So no more time for wasting time on searching online on how to do specific exercise. I got my personal trainer with me wherever I go. WatchFit also provides me with 24 hours tracking of heart rate, stress monitor, sleep tracking, and oxygen saturation level with the accuracy which makes it so much easier to track my performance for a better and healthier lifestyle. And all the data can be viewed in details through the Huawei Health application on my Y9A. So hurry up and head to the local stores to get your very own Huawei Y9A and watch fit. Thank you.